Hello guys, welcome to Tech Trick Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make Chrome Black Theme PC. This is a very easy and quick tutorial. First, you just have to open your Google account or Google. And then here, what you're going to do is to look for Chrome Web Store. You can type it right here. And then after that, you have to click the very first link that you can see right here. Okay, tap this one, Chrome Web Browser. So after you tap this, then you have to go to the right side and you will see this search icon. What you're going to do is to type dark mode and then enter for search. Then you will see tons of dark mode application here. So you have to click the very first one, and then after that, click this add to Chrome and then add extension and wait as it is processing. It will be downloaded above, and then after that what you're going to do is to go to extensions and pin this one, so it would be easier for you to pin this dark mode. So go to this section above and then pin dark mode. You will see it right here, so you just have to turn this one on and that's it. So I really hope that this video helped you. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.